Okay, here's how you create an account with Gemstone Lights. So go to your App Store or the Play Store and search for Gemstone Lights. And then you will see one here. Ignore the one that says Gemstone Lights Hub and the dealer portal. Just the blue and white one here. It says Gemstone Lights, light up your life. Click that. Yours will say download. Mine says open. Once it's downloaded, you go ahead and open it. And you're brought to this screen. You don't have an account yet, so you click sign up. And then you use your email here. I'm going to go ahead and testing@christmasguys.com. You will put your email in here. So then you put in the password. I'm just going to do a sample password right now just to get in. All right, and then you confirm that same password. All right, click the I agree, and then click sign up. It's going to send you an email, so it's looking for a verification code. So you go to the email that, put up your email. You got to verify your email address, Gemstone Lights, and it gives you a code. Go ahead and highlight it and copy it, or just remember it, and come back into the Gemstone app, paste it or type it in, and then hit confirm. And then you'll go through this little screen. Let's set up your account. Enter your name, how you want it to appear. I'll say Captain Matt. Enable notifications. Ask if you want to do emails or not. Click that. And then create a home group. You can just leave it that, or you can put your last name. It doesn't matter. Just label it however you want to label it. And then click continue. And then you're all set and you're ready for the technicians to show up, add the devices, and do the installation.